Alright, so before you can calculate the number of stages that you need for your distillation column, so you need to solve for your mole fraction for the bottom product, which is XBA. You need to solve for the mole fraction of the feed for the A components and mole fraction of your distillate for the A component. So once you have settled finding these values, then it's easy for you to find the number of theoretical stages. Okay, so we begin with total reflux. For the total reflux, okay, so you don't need to have any operating line. Okay, so you don't need stripping operating line, you don't need enriching operating line, or you don't need the Q operating line. So actually all the operating line lies on the 45-degree lines that you have. Okay, so I explain about that later. So now let's find for the theoretical number of stages with total reflux. Okay, what does it mean by total reflux? So please refer to this particular schematic diagram, a brief schematic diagram. So when you talk about total reflux, so you know that the formula is R is equal to ln over D. Okay, so when you say that it is total, means that every flow rates that you have in this particular flow from the top of the column will be recycled back into the column. So majority of your flow rates that you have here, you don't collect at your distillate, but everything must be fed into the column again. Okay, so this is the place where you have a maximum reflux. Okay, so this is called total reflux. Okay, so for the total reflux, the number of stages you can find from XDA. So you have to begin from XDA, you draw a straight line, vertical line until it reach 45-degree line, and then you draw the line from XBA until it reach 45-degree line. Okay, so your job is to draw the stages starting from XDA. Okay, form a horizontal line, and then vertical line, proceed with horizontal line until you reach the equilibrium line, and then vertical line again. So you keep on doing this until you reach above this particular green line. Okay, alright, so that's it. Okay, and then next is for you to label your stages. You label from 1, which is the steps of the stages that you have drawn, 2, 3, and 4. But now you can see that the stages that you have is actually 3 point something, because the horizontal line is cut at the middle. Okay, so how to determine the number of stages? Okay, the number of stages is actually about 3.5, but the number of theoretical stages is equal to 3.5 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because we need to minus the stages for the reboiler. So your answer should be 2.5. Okay, so how do you get 2.5? So you need to know the length that you have. So the total length here represent 1. So what you have is only this portion. So you can use your ruler to calculate this length over the total length. Okay, so you get the value of your decimal number.